The question started when Arapahoe County residents began getting this in the mail from the county assessor's office. It's a notice of valuation for your property, which, by the way, is not your property tax bill. Here's what else you should know. By Colorado law, county assessors have to determine the value of our properties every 2 years. To do that, they use home sales from a specific time frame. If you don't agree with the value, you can file a protest and appeal it. The information about our property values is then used by the county to help determine our property tax rates.
Property taxes in counties all over the state are seeing changes.
So you and a lot of other Coloradans may have seen a big jump in your property valuation. But that doesn't mean your property taxes are going to increase by the same amount. Why? Because our county government tax rate is limited by law, specifically by the Taxpayers' Bill of Rights, known as TABOR. Also important, Arapahoe County gets about 13% of the total property tax revenue. The other 87% goes to more than 420 special districts in the county. Things like schools, libraries, parks and fire districts, cities, and towns. So a $500,000 home will generate about $3,400 in taxes. And from that amount, the county receives $430 to support services for you and your family. Important stuff like public safety and road repairs. How are the taxes calculated? Well, remember those hundreds of special districts we mentioned earlier? They set the tax rate based on the money they need to provide services. That rate is also called a mill levy, and right now, Arapahoe County has the lowest mill levy on the Front Range. It's just under 13 mills. So the answer to your property tax question is complicated and ever-changing. Most importantly, we want you to know that this is a public process, and we urge you to get involved. To learn more about upcoming hearings and your property taxes, visit our website